Hi, this is Laurie Robb, and I'm going to show you how to use the library's all-in-one search to find literary criticism. This is one of the options that we've given you to find literary criticism. This may not be the best option, but a lot of students are comfortable with the all-in-one search, so I'll show you how to use it. First, you would choose the Articles tab and then put in the name of the work in quotes if it's multi-word keyword and in capital letters, the author's last name. Here we can also add a criticism to maybe help us with some very popular titles if that's what you're looking for. If you have a short story or poem that has multiple meanings or maybe has had movies made about it, you may need the word criticism as well. So here we have 316 results that are all online and that are journal articles and magazine articles. And it's very heavy on the journal articles, but I can eliminate the magazine articles by just clicking it to uncheck that option. So after this finishes, we'll have a list of what should be all criticism. However, probably everything on this list will not be criticism, and you need to be very careful and read the articles to make sure it meets the criteria for your assignment. So just glancing at the first one, it probably is criticism. I don't know until I actually read it. The second one probably is as well, but it's comparing two different works. So you need to make sure that meets the criteria of your assignment. The third one is not criticism. It has to do with the movie, so we would not want to use that. So I can glance at these and maybe get an idea of whether or not it would work, but I really do need to open the articles to see. So for example, this one I will open, and if it is something that I want to use and keep, I definitely need to use my tools here on the right and perhaps email this to myself with the MLA citation by just clicking that box and then choosing MLA. Here I can put in my school email, a Gmail, it does not matter. And I will also have to, I should give this a title that would mean something to me so I don't end up with a lot of emails that say your ProQuest research. So this is very briefly how to use the all-in-one search. Just be aware that by using the all-in-one, you are searching through many, many subjects as far as what the journals that you're searching through. So it may not all be literature. It may not be all applicable. You just need to be very careful. If you need more help, use the Ask a Librarian chat box or contact one of your librarians.